Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. In this lecture we will see how to find the biggest of three integers using functions. So first of all I will declare the function prototype, and let's suppose function name is greater, and three arguments, because we will find the largest number between three integer. Now in main function we will declare three variable and also fourth for d. Clear the screen. Printf enter three number. Scanf %d, comma address A, comma address B, comma address C. Now here we will call simply a function greater and pass all the variable and store it in D. And now printf biggest number is %d, comma, and print the value. And one thing I want to explain in this video, that we have to also take care about the readability of the program. Means writing in this way any code looks better. So this is the best format to writing any code. If until now we have written a small code, so I neglect that part, but if we are writing a large code, then we have to take care of all this setup. This will increase the readability of our program. Now we will just write the definition of function, and now check if A is larger than B and A is also larger than C, then return which value? A. Once again we will check else if spelling of else if A is larger than B and A is larger than C, then we will return value A. And if B is larger than what? C, then what we will return? We will return value B. B is larger than C and also B is larger than A, then we will return B. Once again we have to take care of readability. Here we have to only put tab marks here, tab marks here. Now it will be look fine. Now once again else return what? Last value is C, and once again here put tab marks. From here tab mark. Now it's fine. Just compile our code here having no error and run the code. Enter three number 23, 45 and 34, and biggest is 45. So using functions we have all calculated the biggest of the three integer. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.